Thanks for joining me in account settings, data entry, and conditional fields. Conditional fields let you set rules that require certain information before saving a person, company, or deal. This helps ensure your data stays consistent and your reports stay meaningful. Let's say that you would like to report on where your leads are coming from. Are they coming from Facebook? Are they coming from LinkedIn? Word of mouth? Cold calls? How are your people getting entered? How are you grabbing these people? But let's say that maybe some of your users aren't adding in the source, aren't filling that out when they're adding a new person. And so you are going to reports and you're trying to pull a report, but there's missing information. So let's require these users to add the source in. Otherwise, they can't save the person. And we do that by, since this rule is surrounding entering the person, I will be headed here to the people. I'm going to go over here and create new rule. I'm going to name it. We're going to call this people source required, and we're going to create a rule. When a person is updated, here's a drop down, and we're going to say created, right? And when a new person is created, we could also add a condition to make this rule very specific, because right now this is referring to any person who's created. There's no rules or conditions. If we did want to add a condition, you can click add condition. And again, you can get very specific. You could say, hey, a person is created and the created date is, let's do one though you can scroll here, but just know you can also start typing. But let's make a very specific rule. A person is created and the title contains, let's say, executive. Those are the ones that you really want to pull the source on. Or maybe it's a manager, or the title is decision maker, whatever that is. But again, that's very specific. In this case, I'm going to delete this and I'm going to say, hey, anytime a person is created, I want you to require, scroll down here, the source. That's required. You must put that in. So if I scroll all the way down to the bottom and I hit activate, you'll see here, people source required. This rule is live. You can turn it off. Let's turn it on and let's check it out. So I'm going to go over here to this plus here, and I'm going to go to the person, and I'm just going to hit save just for fun and show you it's not going to let me save it because there's one error, and that error is the source. I have to pick the source. Now I'm able to save that. You can see that it's required by this little asterisk here. Again, this is a great way to make sure that your reports make sense and have all the information you need it to be filled in there. And then conditional fields keep your CRM clean, accurate, and ready for reporting. Thanks.